Hi everyone, my name's Tina Stubbs. I am the author and creator of the award-winning series Life's Little Bugs, which teaches young children between the ages of 5 to 8 all about healthy habits. You can see behind me some of the characters which you will get to know over the next coming months, because I'm very excited to announce our collaboration with Virtual School Games through securing some funding from Get Berkshire Active. We've managed to build some online workshops that you can get for free over the next 3 months. So this will go on till the end of December, and the link for you to enroll will be at the end of this video. The 3 workshops that you'll be able to access and enroll in are Fitness Bug, which will teach the children all about the benefits of a healthy lifestyle, all about the benefits of a good diet and daily exercise. For mental health, we have Humbug. He teaches about growth mindset and having a more positive attitude and the skill set that goes with that. And finally is our new workshop, which I'm very excited to introduce you to, which is Life's Little Bugs Go Wild. It's all to do with outdoor learning and the benefits that go with that, both mentally and physically. As I said, all the details will follow. Please enroll as soon as you can. You've got 3 months to access and to include it within the curriculum. There are lesson plans included and also PDFs to support the workshops throughout. Enjoy, and hopefully I can come in at some stage and meet you personally. Thank you from me and my bugs. Take care.